Hello dear friend, welcome to the Tourism with Sitare Dan channel. In this video, we intend to challenge your knowledge. Despite being confident that you are a genius, let's go and explore the visual question related to this video together. The images you're seeing, which famous world tourist attraction do they belong to? Is it Capri Islands in Italy or Phi Phi Islands in Thailand? From this very moment, you have only 10 seconds to identify the correct answer. 10 seconds are up, and the answer to our question is the Phi Phi Islands in Thailand. About Phi Phi Islands. The Phi Phi Islands in Thailand are a tropical paradise known for their breathtaking beauty. With turquoise waters, pristine beaches, and towering limestone cliffs, these islands create a picturesque and alluring seascape. Rich coral reefs attract snorkelers and divers, while charming villages provide a taste of Thai culture. The Phi Phi Islands offer an enchanting escape in the heart of the Andaman Sea, inviting travelers to indulge in the idyllic surroundings and vibrant marine life. If you're eager to explore fascinating information about the Phi Phi Islands and its surrounding attractions, or if you're interested in a comprehensive guide for an enchanting journey to this magical destination, be sure to click on the video you see in the image. But that's not the whole story. In this video, you'll also get acquainted with the beloved international superstar of cinema and one of the talented actors in the world, Tony Jaa. You'll gain sweet insights into his biography and the amazing secrets behind his success that will undoubtedly be captivating for you. If you enjoyed the video, please share it with your friends and kindly support us with likes and comments. Additionally, by pressing the subscribe button and setting the notification bell to all, stay promptly informed about our new videos.